Tempting to find a fire. The cold world whispers outside, to chase that fleeting desire, where shadows often preside. I turn toward my own light. My truth is steady and clear. I sit with faith tonight. I can steer. The heart breaks open wide. Let the feeling softly flow. That's where the light gets inside. It's the only way to grow. I quiet the frantic mind. I simply trust the path now. Leave all the I feel things deeper still. I hold the quiet space here. I follow my inner will, beyond the logic of fear. A silence that settles down. No need for word or name. Beyond the noise of the town, steady flame. This journey I face alone, to shatter the cage I keep. It sits on a sacred stone, the promises I must keep. I can't run my own race here. That's where I always belong. Settle down and be clear, to be soft but also strong. The heart breaks open wide. Let the feeling softly flow. That's where the light gets inside. It's the only way to grow. I quiet the frantic mind.